a good, comfortable pair of shoes.
Business cards.
Water.
I keep grabbing the brochures to throw. For my wife, it throws away later, but the bags always heavy bags going home.
Oh, my iPad. Gotta take notes.
A bag.
Business cards and a bag.
I never travel without my hand sanitizer.
I mean, my cufflinks. Yeah.
Jokes.
I don't have one. I really never thought about it.
I always have to bring Band-Aids because you always get blisters on your feet. Advil, because you're going to have a headache at some point. And then Tums is the one that you don't think of, but Tums are good to have on hand.
Any good salesman has mints.
I mean, honestly, the stump game, the Hammerschlagen has really been a hit. I might not travel with this ever, I need this.
Extra socks.